Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can delete saved passwords from Google Password Manager. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Now, if you have more than one Google account, click on it and make sure that the right one is applied. Following that, click on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Then click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Enter your current login method and hit Delete next to Edit. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!